To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy. 60 moving average. Moving average 10. We specify the trend. Trend is the best way to trade. We specify the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is the basis of the trade. The market trend is to buy. The market trend is to buy. We specify the trend. The market trend is to buy. The trend is the basis of the trade. The trend is the most powerful strategy in history. Trend is the best way to trade. Buy pattern. Buy orders area. The market trend is to buy. Only trade with the trend. Only trade in the direction of the trend. Please continue. Only trade in the direction of the trend. Continue. Please continue. Orders are here. Only trade with the trend. Only trade in the direction of the trend. Only trade in the direction of the trend. New movement in the direction of the trend. The market trend is to buy. Please be sure to choose the best stop loss. This is the stop loss point. This point is stop loss. This point open position. Open position. Please continue. Open position. Please continue. We continue. Choose the exact profit. First profit. Great profit. This point is profit. This is the profit point. The best profit is here. The best profit is here. New movement in the direction of the trend. Only trade in the direction of the trend. Profit is the next resistance. Great profit. This point is profit. We specify the trend. Trend is the best way to trade. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. New movement in the direction of the trend. Only trade in the direction of the trend.